everyone, we're here at HSMA Day in Munich at the Science Congress Center, newly built, and it's a full day full of sessions all around the topics HSMA Germany is dealing with throughout the year. And I have two experts with me, which is a pleasure. I have Oliver Stotz from Lindner Hotels and Me and All Hotels. Thank you for being here with us. And Friederike Winkowski from h2c. You both held a workshop just now. You just came off the stage, so to say. And you discussed with the attendees about digitalization, personalization, and innovation. That's a broad topic, I'd say. And it's difficult to pack this into like 30 minutes of a session. Yeah. So what would you say for everyone that wasn't able to join today? What are the key takeaways from your session?
There's an overload for these people sitting there and looking for what is about digitalization, individualization, what's about my pain points and what's the future about. You see that everybody is looking for any solutions, but nobody knows what is a solution and what's my way. That's my opinion.
Yeah, right. So what is the right way? What is the central system? Is it the CRM or the PMS? What is about the CRS? We talked about that. So it wasn't mentioned actually. So yeah, how do I get the data? How do I interact with the guests? And how can the young employees, I would say, work with all these systems?
Yes, right. And so you took the angle of the hotel technology stack, I take, when you mentioned the systems, when we talk about digitalization. And what would you say, like the feedback from the session, or also your experience from Lindner Hotels, doing this for many years now? What are the main points a hotelier should focus on when trying to digitize the operations and be more strategic about the topic itself?
You have to prepare a strategy. You have to talk with all people. You have to involve all people before you are starting to switch on any system or any other things. You need to talk about, okay, what's my aim? What would we like to have as a product, as a process, or whatever you would like to do to have a solution for? And you have to think about this. And this is the starting point. And you also have to do it while you are also already in this process to see, okay, I'm on my track or not. So that's the most important thing. And that is something we saw, yes, everybody in front office, marketing or whatever has its own ideas and own pain, and but this is not really together as one idea. Okay, we need this one system for this or for this or for this solution, and everybody's working together to have a solution in common for all stages of communication and system steps.
And from you, Friederike, you work with many companies in that. Is there a starting point where you say that's really where you have to start before you dive into technology? So how to prepare to get this started?
Yeah, I think you definitely need an overall strategic goal. Mm-hmm. So where do you want to go? What does your guest need? So what does he really need? And what stands my hotel chain or my individual hotel for? Because not every goal fits to each hotelier.
Right.
So it really needs to match, and then you have this overall goal, and then you need to involve everybody in your company to get this running.
So it's not a one-man show, and then we execute it top down.
You need one to have the strategy and keep in mind to steer these teams and so on, to see, okay, what is the process we would, or what's the aim, and like a mentor or so like a consultant, internal consultant. Okay, is this really this way we would like to go, or is it another solution? And bring the people together to moderate this. That's the most important thing. You need somebody who's able to oversee all these things and bring everybody together in the right time.
Perfect. And I have one last question, just to close this off. When, in terms of trends or developments at the moment, what are you most excited about looking at the next years, specifically in your area you're working in?
Artificial intelligence should be one of the most important things, but as I see now at this point, we are far away from this idea to have artificial intelligence in this way. Maybe it's able to do, because the basic system and idea and digitalization and hospitality is far away from a future which is already also usable now. So
a very honest evaluation.
Gap.
Yeah, what would you say, Friederike?
The same, actually. So artificial intelligence, automated personalization, where does it go? And but also how to work together. I think we can't work as we did before, so we need to think outside the box, merge teams, and find a new way of working.
Right, so strategy, collaboration, and take it step by step,
right.
and not without the team. Cool. Thank you so much for joining me. It was great talking to you, and I wish you a fun day. There's still a few sessions ahead and a lovely night tonight. So, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Thank you.